Morning. I am Miss Melissa from the Degenstein Community Library. And it's another rainy day here in Pennsylvania. But I do know that April showers bring May flowers. Each week, Sarah and I are sharing some ideas for some home learning activities. And I thought today we would discuss the water cycle. Water is so important to us. It's all around us. It's in the ground, it's in the air, and it's even in us. Did you know that we are made up of 90% water? The amount of water on Earth never changes. Instead, it goes through the water cycle. So here's how it works. Rain falls from the sky. It lands on the ground, goes into streams and rivers, and then out to the ocean. Then the sun comes out and it evaporates that water and it brings it back up into the clouds. Then when it's in the clouds, they form droplets, and then when it rains again, it comes back down. Sometimes when it's cold, those droplets might be sleet or freezing rain or even snow. Find several books about the water cycle at the library, but as you know, the library is currently closed and hopefully will be open soon. One of them that I did find was called This Drop of Water, but I also found several of them on Power Library. There's one in TrueFlix, there's actually a couple in Cricket Media, and there's several in the K-8 Public Library collection. I will include those links as well at the bottom of our video. One thing I thought you guys could do with your munchkins is you can show the water cycle with a basic mason jar, a plate, and ice cubes. Very simple. What you'll want to do is get your glass jar and pour warm water in the jar, not hot, because we don't want to break the glass. Place a plate on top of the jar with some ice cubes, and then you can watch to see the evaporation of the water, and it starts to form clouds. And then eventually, the longer it sits, you'll start to see that it rains and starts to come down. You probably can't see it as well on the camera, but I promise you, mom and dads, if you're doing this at home, it's going to be a really neat experiment, and I think kids will love it. Have a great week, and hopefully the sun is shining soon. Bye.